Shalom, Chaverim. It's Rubissa. I hope you are as excited about Shabbat as I am, and I have a book to read to you about one of my favorite parts of Shabbat, Challah. And the book today is, wait for it, Koala Challah. Koala is also one of my favorite animals, so it's pretty perfect. Koala Challah. Every Friday afternoon, Lily watched her big sister Rachel make the eucalyptus oil candles for Shabbat dinner. Koalas love eucalyptus. One Friday, Lila decided to try making candles too. Oh, Lila, the table is a mess, said Ema when she came home. I'm sorry, Ema, said Lila. I just wanted to help get ready for Shabbat. I know you did, honey. Come, help me clean up. Every Friday afternoon, Lila watched her big sister Naomi make the eucalyptus wine for Shabbat dinner. Koalas love eucalyptus. Well, one Friday, Lila decided to try making wine too. When Daddy walked in the kitchen, he sighed. Oh, Lila, the mess. Please help me clean it up. Okay, Papa, I just wanted to help get ready for Shabbat. The next Friday, Lila made a sign that said Shabbat Shalom and picked flowers to decorate the Shabbat table. Oh, Lila, what a mess. I just wanted to help get ready for Shabbat, Lila explained. Ema put her arm around Lila. I know that you're trying to help, but every week we hurry to get ready for Shabbat, and every week you make a mess. Cleaning up takes so long that I hardly have time to make challah. Can I make the challah next week? Please? Asked Lila. All right, said Ema, but you should practice first. So, on Sunday, Lila tried to make challah. I think maybe I left the challah in the oven too long, Lila said. On Monday, Lila tried again. Oops, I think I forgot to add the yeast. Oops, I think you forgot to add the yeast, said Rachel. That's why the challah didn't rise. On Tuesday, Lila made sure to use yeast. Uh-oh, said Naomi. I think you put in too much salt. On Wednesday, the challah crumbled when Lila tried to put it on a plate. On Thursday, Lila's challah looked beautiful. I brushed egg on the dough before I baked it, Lila explained proudly, and that's why the bread is so shiny. Yeah, it tastes fine, Naomi said, eating the first piece. Yeah, fine, said Rachel. Lila tasted the challah. Her sisters were right. It was fine. But Lila wanted her challah to be better than fine. That night, Lila lay awake in bed. She wanted her challah to be as special as Rachel's beautiful eucalyptus oil candles and Naomi's delicious eucalyptus oil wine. She wanted it to be wonderful. On Friday afternoon, Lila made 2 loaves of challah. This time, she added a special ingredient. She wanted to be the yummiest challah ever. At the Shabbat table, Rachel lit the nerot, the candles that she had made, and Naomi poured the yain, the wine that she had made, and Lila took the challah cover off of her chalot. This is the yummiest challah I have ever eaten, Ema exclaimed. Lila smiled. I call it Koala Challah. It has a special ingredient, our favorite food, eucalyptus. It looks like you found the perfect way to help get ready for Shabbat, Abba said. We all love eucalyptus, but what's most special, Lila, is you didn't give up and you made the challah in your own special way. And after dinner, they all cleaned up the kitchen together. I hope that you enjoyed making challah in your own special way. I hope each week you get to enjoy being a part of that challah and making it so special for your family together. Shabbat shalom.